Fox 10 Gulfstream. This is Next Weather.
Thanks for joining us here on Fox 10 Next Weather as we look at our drought situation. You know, we saw some beneficial rains over the weekend in some areas. Some spots like Mobile not getting as much, but a lot of areas, Washington County, getting a pretty good soaking. And we remain in a severe drought over parts of the area. We'll have not much of an opportunity to catch up on that over the next 7 days as we're trending drier. Coming off the Labor Day weekend, we do have to tell you about a medium risk of rip currents at the beaches thanks to an easterly wind. That'll continue tomorrow and Wednesday. And our temperatures today starting to get a little toasty again, highs in the low 90s after seeing some 80s over the weekend. Heat index values have been very reasonable today as the air has been drier, so it is more comfortable outside. It's not a total furnace. And looking at our futurecast tomorrow, not much rain around tomorrow, maybe a few coastal showers overnight, and then into Wednesday, a couple of spotty showers, and that's really about it. Not anything that would provide drought relief, but maybe a hit or miss shower. Katya and Gert have turned into remnant lows, so we're done with those two features. We're watching these two waves, a wave off of Africa and a low pressure area in the central Atlantic, and this one here has a really good chance of development, but neither of these two systems look to be poised to come into the Gulf anytime soon. Let's run out the GFS model. And so by the time we get into the weekend, we've got wave number 1, which is the one that's most likely to develop first, as a system up off the northern Leeward Islands in the Atlantic. And we're over here, so we're doing pretty good as long as it takes this type of track. Behind that, another feature trying to get organized, and this is what it's showing by a week from now, Monday. A hurricane in the Atlantic headed towards Bermuda, and another low pressure area way out there likely headed towards cooler waters. So there's really not a lot going on that we need to be concerned with here. Some of the long range models keeping the bulk of them keeping that system way off the northern leewards. You can see right here the Florida Peninsula and the Bahamas showing some no sign of any direct threat to them either. So we're in pretty good shape. And looking at it, the next system would be Lee followed by Margot. So we've got two things out there that could become either one of those two names at any point. Our day planner looks like this. Temperatures tomorrow start out fairly mild, and then we ramp up into the 90s tomorrow, and temperatures near 93 for a daytime high, 94 Wednesday, 96 Thursday and Friday. Odds of rain only 20% on Friday and Saturday as a weak front moves through. That may knock our temperatures down a little as we head into the weekend on Saturday and Sunday, but for a Labor Day forecast, you know, hotter than average, but that's been the rule in 2023. A little hotter at the end of the week, do a little better by the weekend. Not a lot of rain around to help with the drought conditions. At least we're not being threatened by anything tropical. Thanks for joining us here on Next Weather.